Hi guys, how you doing? This is Kevin.
Hi, I'm Kim.
Hey, and brought together again with another great video from Kim Outdoor Adventure, known as KKOA. So today we are going to look at installing a new electronic keyless door latch. So as many of you may know, that the standard key that comes with many RVs is pretty much standard throughout a lot of RVs. The reason why they do this is a lot of RV parks, they have one key so they're able to get into it. I think it's the one with the M or one of these two locks that is actually the same key that's pretty much key for many RVs. We are going to go ahead and install, we've got the RV lock. Looks about like this. So it's got a little keypad, it also has keys, and it also has a little key fob.
Ooh,
so
key fob. Beep, beep.
We'll see how it goes. I don't think you're going to need that hammer.
Are you sure?
We shouldn't need the hammer too much, but alright, so this is kind of the box we got. I picked this up off of Amazon. Let's see what's all inside. Okay, looks like we got some instructions. Got the keypad. I guess that's what is that, the key fob? Okay, that's the key fob. Oh, this looks pretty nice. It's kind of made of metal. I wasn't expecting it to be made of metal. It looks like pretty good quality, so that's one good thing. But let's see what the first step. I bet you the first step is to take your old one off. What do you think, Kim?
I would agree with the hammer.
No, not with the hammer.
Oh.
So
I'm gonna use the hammer.
Alright, let's see. So it says securely latch your RV door in the open position. Remove the 4 screws in the back of the existing handle. Remove 2 screws from the strike plate.
I can do that.
Alright, you want to do it? You want to be the one to do this?
I could. I mean, it feels like it's really.
It looks like it's probably pretty cut and dry.
So step 1, open it up.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove. There's 4 screws that are all positioned right here.
Yep, I see them.
And I guess that's what mounts the old one. Most of the latches are pretty standard, so they are pretty standard as far as between RVs. I think the difference would be in a Class C or a Class A RV. They have a different type of door on them. So you'll probably have to get one for that. But most fifth wheels or travel trailers, the doors are pretty much got a standard kind of door latch on the side.
Have any of you upgraded and done this?
This is my first time, so I have no idea.
Let us know if you have and if you like it.
You know what? I am going to.
I know, I was just going to say,
Work smarter, not harder. Use power tools. Alright, so it looks like we remove the 4 screws and then remove the plate. Just take the old one, just pop the old one right off. Alright, so the next step says to carefully remove your RV lock from its packaging and place it on a flat, non-abrasive surface. I think the box is probably a non-abrasive surface. It says remove the 2 screws that are holding. So I believe these are the 2 screws that are holding the battery cover. So we're going to take the battery cover, these 2 screws out right here. You're going to need to install your 4 AA batteries before you get started. So, I'm going to put the cover back on. And then put your 2 screws back in.
Why does it need to be on a clear surface or a flat surface?
Just so it doesn't slide off, and so that way it doesn't scratch it up, or it's better to have it on like a flat, you know, some surface that's not gonna damage it or push the buttons. Or
now, does it come with keys just in case the batteries die?
it does come with keys.
Well, okay.
They thought of everything, so
Okay.
that way if your batteries do die, you can open it with the key, you can open it with the key fob, or you can open it with the keypad.
Not only are we installing this for if the keys on all RV works on all RVs, but in case a family member is home or back before the other people who have the keys can get in.
It does make it easier. Right. Absolutely. All right, so it says slide the handle into the lock into opening the front door while carefully pulling the wires ahead, whatever that means. Gotta cut our keys off. Okay, so the wires are... Okay. Let's verify the on and off switch. I think you connect up these wires is what it's telling you. He's alive. Power's up, so I guess that's a good sign. Remove these. There's 2 screws that are right here. Take those out first. That'll allow it to separate. Okay. Oh, are you kidding me?
What?
Huh. Oh, never mind. I thought I was like, great, I got the wrong one. I was like, are you kidding me? I got the left-handed one. All right, so we need to go ahead and kind of get it positioned into the strike plate. Looks like I may have to trim. Just off by a hair.
There.
Alright.
I think that works.
It does. It's a little tight. You may have to, on this, it was a little bit edge. You may have to trim the edge because it barely even went in. So this is just a plastic fiberglass. So you may have to take like a little knife to trim it if it doesn't go in. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and install the striker plate. You have that in.
And the instructions do say do not pinch any of the wires. And we kind of had some issues with that little blue one in the back. But I'm definitely not a mechanic.
You sure you wouldn't want to do this?
Yeah.
You could have done it.
I probably could with your assistance. I mean, I did hand you a pair of scissors to get the...
You did. Hand me the pair of scissors.
To get the blue thing out. And you were like, no thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Let's get the needle nose pliers instead. I guess there's a difference.
Okay, so now we're going to put the back plate on. because we got to connect up the wire. There's only one way it really kind of goes. It's got a little key slot, so that will slide into the wire like so. And it snaps in.
Noise.
And it snaps in. So we'll tuck our wires up under here.
Beautiful.
All right, lock works. Well, we're still going to continue doing the second half. I don't like that little lock. Lock's a little bit kind of plastic cheesy, but I mean it works. Please don't forget, if you guys if you like us doing these little videos, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give us thumbs up and like, so that we do, so that we can continue to, and hit that little notification bell down below. All right, so let's go ahead and continue tearing this thing up, or finishing this thing.
Tearing it up.
I mean, it appears to be looks pretty good.
Well, there's a next part.
Well, yeah, now we got to program it.
Oh.
Now it's just a regular doorknob, but now this is the fun part. Let's make sure that it actually closes. That probably would help.
Should somebody go inside so you don't lock us? Oh, you have keys.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's make sure.
We're kind of not level either.
Yeah, I know. It does solid though.
It's locked. Yes?
Yeah, the deadbolt lock works.
Okay.
I'm curious. Just curious. Okay. Alright, good. Good news. This is a different key than this one. I just want to make sure that our normal
What's
old
the deadbolt though? What's that top one? What's that for?
That's just if you're locking just the handle. This just locks the handle.
Oh.
This is the actual deadbolt down below.
Okay, why would you just lock the handle?
Huh?
Why would you lock just the handle?
You could just lock the handle from operating.
Just curious.
So, all right, cool. Next step is programming the fob. Turn the on switch to on. Then press the fob learn button located above the on and off switch. So, we're gonna turn this. We'll turn this on. Then it looks like there's a little button right here. It says fob reset. So we'll hit that dude. That says, now press the lock on your remote until the handle confirms sync. It says a short quick beep will confirm entering the program mode. Now the lock on your remote until the handle.
Oh, that's cool.
There we go. See how it locks?
I did see that. That's cool.
So there we go. So now that just programmed the key fob. That's pretty easy.
That was easy.
I know, man. What the heck?
Should have installed this.
All right. So now that we got the key fob program, so now we need to go ahead and program the keypad. You can put any like a 4 to 8 digit code that you have in here, so you can go ahead and do that. So let's see. It says while holding down the 8, simultaneously press the lock button and release it. It'll be a long beat. Go ahead and enter your code. I'm gonna hide that. All right. Well, thanks to Kim, kind of figured it out. I guess she kind of showed you on the back. There's actually, if you need to ever reset the code, there is a code reset button that's here. And also you always want to make sure that this is in the on position. So those are two key things that allows power for this. So we've tested it out. Everything seems to work pretty good. Pretty nice. So
I have a couple yes and no's. One, just hit a button. Kevin, please hit a button. It lights up. That's kind of cool.
It is kind of cool at night.
However, when you hit it, it goes meep meep.
Yeah, it makes it really loud. Beep 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 beep. So
again, if any of you have installed one, have you disalarmed it so it doesn't go meep meep?
Yeah, I wonder if there's a way that you can have it to where it doesn't make that beepy sound.
I'm quite curious.
I don't know. Might have to Google that. Maybe somebody else has already kind of figured that out. They don't like that either. But anyway, that's pretty much it for installing the RV lock. So hopefully...
where did you purchase this?
I purchased this on Amazon, and I will put the link down below. So the link will be down below on this RV lock. So had pretty good reviews, so that's the reason why we chose it. But we're looking forward to using it, and look forward to continue for another great season.